All right, your GitHub account is going to look like this after loading. So what you just need to do is to put in your email address in this spot. It can be your, if you have a domain, it can be your domain, it can be your Gmail, it can be your Google email, it can be your Hotmail, whatever email you have, you just need to put it and then create your account. So my case, I'm going to bring it my Gmail account. All right, I'm going to paste in my Gmail account here now. So when I paste it, then I click enter. All right, you can see I have put in my Gmail account now. So what I need to do now is to fill in this. And if you don't want to go through all those process, if your email is logged in, what you can also do is to just click continue with the email. So in my case now, let me type in my password. So after you type in your password, see it's going to mark good. So here you need to add your username. Okay, so after adding your username, okay, my case is not available. All right, my region, Nigeria. I'm just going to click that and then click create an account. So save. Still loading. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but you just need to have patience. Okay, verifying my browser. Wow, verification is completed. So now it's going to redirect us to, okay, so OTP has been sent to our email. So just come copy the OTP, then confirm, that is continue. See, so successfully be registered, so just sign in. So that is it. I've already created my account. So the next step is to come down to Cloudflare. So on this place, this Cloudflare is where we also need to create an account. So what you need to do also is to create an account. So come here, you see start for free, click on it. We're waiting for the browser verification. We are still waiting. So while we are waiting, please do well to subscribe to my channel so you receive an update whenever I drop new video. All right, so here we just need to click verify. So verification is completed. So Cloudflare dashboard is loading, so let's wait. All right, so when you got to this interface, what you just need to do is to fill in this session, just fill it and then register your account. So after you have filled in your username and your password, click the box and then click sign up. Make sure you miss your password with, you can see everything showing there, capital number and all that, special characters and everything, lowercase and uppercase. So make sure you do all that proper for your account to be able to get accepted. So sometimes you see after loading the box, I need to check it again because you could not. So my one is still loading. I think I have bad network. And what I need to go now, go to my email. Okay, see, verification is already here. So I need to verify. All right, guys, we have registered, complete our registration of our Cloudflare. So now we need to go to register our domain. that is the next step. So now this is the platform where we are going to register our domain, and when we get here, what we need to do here is to click sign up button. On the sign up section, we choose our username. You fill in our name, the name we want to use here. So I'm going to use, so the email we're going to use here, put in our email. The phone number, just copy exact what you're seeing here from the plus. You don't need to put your own, copy from the plus and paste. The contact here, put address. So remember, don't put dash or any other thing, but try to put like 2 comma. Just put like 2 comma for the address. Okay, so password, just type in password of your choice, but try to make sure it's up to 8 and mix with capital letter and small letter. So after you have done that, come down and click the verification. If you did not do all this way, the verification button will not show, guys. So click on it, and here you can see that our account has been created. So I'm going to click update. So we have created our account. So now I'm going to go back, check your email. So you're going to receive this email. Click the verification to verify it. So successful. So since it's successful now, click back. So now we need to sign in. Continue. Sign in. So now we have successfully signed in to the dashboard where we are going to create our domain name. So here we want to verify. So this KYC verification. So some people will be stuck here. Why did I need KYC? Why did I need KYC? So no, you don't need KYC. Only what you need is, remember we created account on GitHub, which is GHub previously. So click on it here, and when you click on it, you are going to sign into the GHub account we created previously. So just clean. So since I've already created it recently and I'm still logged in, so what I just need to do is to authorize it. You can see successful. So now since successful, now just come back. Alright, so this is the interface you are going to see if you have verified your GitHub. Okay, one, we say maximum domain allowed 1. So, and I do not have anyone, so I can only create one domain name, and for now I don't have anyone created, so I just need to get the domain name now. So I'm going to register a domain name called what should I call this domain name? So alright, come to domain registration, click on it. Then on this domain registration, come here and type in the domain you want to use. So in my case now, I just want to type in this. I'm still thinking of what to do, but this is just a tutorial purpose, so I'm going to use this domain name just like this. And now some of this domain name here will not allow you to use for free, but you see this qzz.io, you can use it for free, and the first one you can use for free. I don't know about this second one, understand, but you can go ahead and try it by yourself. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to use the qzz.io. That's what I'm going to use right now, so just this one. Then accept, and then click check availability. There's something I'm supposed to show you guys there, but I've already left. Yeah, so now this is the author, this is the domain name. I'm going to copy this domain name now, take it to Cloudflare, and then paste it and then continue. So just click continue, select the free plan. So you are going to see interface like this. Okay, you are going to see this interface. So just click continue, click confirm. So after loading, you are going to see interface like this. So now we need this main server here. So you copy the first one, go back, paste it on the main server one, then you go back and copy the second one, then go back there, paste it on the main server 2, and you go and click register. So you can see here we have successfully registered it, and here you're going to see that it's going to tell you that it's going to take up to 12 to 24 hours, but the truth is that it doesn't even take up to 2 minutes. So go back to domain list. So immediately we go back there now, I believe we're going to see our domain. You can see it here, our domain has been registered successfully. So that is the domain name. So you can see it, this is the name server we added. So see the renew session here. On this renew, you need to manually renew it for 2 years. But now our domain that we registered right now is going to last for 180 days, and after that we need to add 2 years renewal period. So you can go ahead and click manual, or you click availability and all that, free renew availability and all that. But remember, you cannot do that now because your domain is not yet up to even a month or 2. So you need to use the domain and maybe remain like 5 days or 10 days, then you go for the renewal option. And also there are another way for you to renew by going to the Telegram and all that, which I will do a video about that in my next video or in future. So now after you have done by adding, go back to your Cloudflare and then click on the continue. So you're going to see after you click continue, it's going to show like this. You can check the status, but everything is okay now. So you just go and wait for like 5 minutes, then come and check and see if it's activated. So just go to the overview and then see if it's activated or not. Just wait for a few minutes and it's going to be activated. Okay, the overview has loaded, but my phone is not yet active, so I just need to wait for some time. Or now let me go from the overview, just click on the Cloudflare here. So just click on it. Okay, so as I said earlier, network is actually disturbing. So you can see now that the status is already active. So we have actually gotten the domain name for 100% free with no much stress. So now you can go ahead and transfer this domain name to any free hosting for those of you that want to host it for free. And I will try to do that video flowing up very soon, so that you can know how to host this domain in a free hosting platform, so that you can actually start using it to build your blogging and all that for that 100 something days, which is around 4 months if I'm not mistaken, 4 or 3 months or so. I think 90 days is 3 months, 90 plus 90 is 180. Yeah, so roughly about 4 months or so. So in that period, you can be able to raise money from blogging to be able to renew the domain or to migrate to another domain provider if their own renewal cost is expensive. So I don't know if it's going to be expensive or going to be less, but then we know what is going to be the outcome. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification icon so you can receive an update whenever I drop a new video. Peace and love.